Hi Bessies, we're heading home. We have our food. Food is life. And I need a tripod. Ayan. You must put a pillow on your food so that they will be safe. Hi Bessie Squad! Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see I have an extra chair over here, and well, you had it coming. I have a special guest, the most requested guest that I ever had in this channel. Before we start doing this, I have a joke for you and all of you. Anong video ang nagalupok?
Ambot.
Mukbang! Mukbang! So what are we gonna do today?
Mukbang.
We are really hungry and we're so excited to eat with all of you. This is my first mukbang and this is my first video that Ralph is with me, like officially on the video, not a cameo or anything. So yeah, let's get started. So earlier we went to, where did we go?
SMCP.
Yeah, SM, and we grabbed some food. We actually dropped by Burger King.
Drop by.
Burger King and Auntie Annes. How do you pronounce auntie? Because it's aunt.
Auntie.
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 Kung sa Tunde, Auntie Annes. Auntie Annes.
Auntie.
Kung sila ko, no?
Auntie.
Okay. So we have like burgers and pretzels, and we also have grabbed some drinks from Auntie Anne's as well. So we asked what was their like new products or their best seller. So Manong or Koya there told us that this lemonade, it's an old-fashioned lemonade. It's a lemonade. It's one of their latest drinks. And well, I'm old-fashioned, so I still got my iced coffee. I have we have tissues, of course. It's a cinnamon or a chocolate. Oh yeah, it's a cinnamon
dip.
I believe this is the caramel dip there. The chocolate or the cinnamon, I don't know. We're gonna know later. We're gonna find out later. Then we have, I believe this is the almond cream cheese stick. It looks like this. You look excited to eat. And of course, who doesn't or who isn't? And we have, I believe this is the sour cream and onion pretzel. So
very
good.
Big.
Yeah, it smells so good. So excited. Also, we have another pretzel. I forgot what was this. Yeah, it's like the
2,000 years later.
cinnamon thingy. I forgot, basta it's the cinnamon thingy.
It's a pretzel.
Yeah, it's a pretzel. And we have like 2 more items here. Let me see. This one is the pepperoni nugget. You're so excited, no?
So hungry.
Pepperoni nuggets. We're so really hungry. We did not eat anything. Oh, he's so hungry. And this is the apple cinnamon cream cheese bites. This is one of their newest products. And I specifically asked for, you know, kung anong bago so that people or you guys will know what's new on from Auntie Anne's. So yeah, let me just...
Yeah, this, oh.
This is coffee. This is baliskad.
Yeah, that's why laughing again.
Okay. So this is the lemonade iced tea.
Parehas marami.
So one of their new products daw is this lemonade iced tea, which I am already ubusing. And for our Burger King, we only ordered, you know, a la carte without any drinks. We have some
That's the
onion, yeah, onion rings, our favorite. We also have some fries. Large na to. Large na ni.
Yes.
Yeah, large fries. And what's your burger?
4 cheese.
I have my Whopper Junior. It's what I always order from Burger King because hindi ko kaubos ang big na burger. And Ralph has his 4 cheese Whopper. So yeah, we're gonna eat together with all of you guys, and of course ketchup. So excited. Now they need to see your pretty face. So yeah, I guess we're starting with the burgers, and
No, I will start with this.
yeah, I think I will start with the burger, with my
Pepperoni.
burger. Yeah, pepperoni cheese bites or nuggets or pepperoni whatever. So I'm just gonna list the things down below if you want to know. And also, just to make sure that you're not gonna be you're not gonna be bored watching this video, I asked you guys to ask, you know, random questions on my Instagram stories, and I'm not gonna disclose your identity. Yeah, we're actually gonna start with the questions in a bit. Just give us time to eat, Anay, because it's really
Hunger.
yeah, really hunger.
Meat na, meat yeah.
Alright. It's the almond. Guys, we're so sorry. Hindi kami kasaulo sa mga ngalan sa ginakaon namon.
Yeah.
What's important is that we're doing this. That's almond cream. Cheese sticks.
Meat. Caramel. And chocolate.
Dipped in caramel. Then I think I'm gonna dip my pretzel in caramel.
The ano, chocolate.
Chocolate, hindi cinnamon.
The chocolate.
Kasi dyan magaon, kaya dyan mukhaon mo, no?
Ba?
We're actually telling each other that it's really fun to do this mukbang thing because it seems like marami kang nakakain.
We're really hungry.
Or it's just that we're really hungry.
What is this?
That's the apple cinnamon. That's the new product.
Balls. I love
bites.
balls.
Apple cinnamon cream cheese. Yeah. So I think we're gonna go with the first question that I have here in front of me.
I like to lick it. Lick it.
Facebook Messenger. Somebody asked, ano work mo nang? In English, what is your work? Only my closest friends know, I guess, or you know, the people that are usually, or you know, listening to my or reading my rants in my socials know that I work as an online
Freelance model?
No.
Oh, no. That's your freelance.
No, I'm not even, you know, I'm not a model or something. I work as an online freelancer. I have been working that way since
2008?
no, around 2009. Or for the past years, I've been juggling like 2 to 3 jobs per shift or per day because that's how I roll.
That's our road.
Yeah, I have one full-time job, a project-based job, and a part-time job. So my full-time,
Amazing.
yeah, my full-time job, I have a client he's from the UK. And my part-time job, another client from the UK. Fortunately, they do not know each other, which is so good. Because if ever they know each other, patay tayo dyan. And I have a project-based, I write WordPress articles for an American client. So that's 3 jobs plus my YouTube. Charot. I don't really have a YouTube career. I just do this for fun.
Yeah.
So hopefully, hopefully I answered your question. If you're doubting what my job is, you just go to my Facebook profile. I'm actually a janitress at Stars and Scars Tattoo. So that's my full-time job. But I'm actually really always absent over there. Pero I have sweldo. What are your tipid tips for couples who would love to travel or go to concerts like sa inyo? How can they enjoy it with limited resources? Miss you both. To the one asking the question, we also miss you. This is quite a difficult question. Can you try answering it?
No, it's very difficult.
Okay, how to travel and go to concerts with limited resources?
First, follow the artist.
Yeah, for you to know if you're, for you to know kung ang artist na idol mo is going or is having a concert on your country or in your country, you should be following the artist like very closely. So one tip from me is that I subscribe to Songkick. Just go to songkick.com. Then Songkick will allow you to choose the artists that you want to track. So they will definitely email you when there's, a concert in your country. Also, if you're subscribed to Spotify, they will also email you if there are gigs of a certain artist on your in your country. So yeah, that's Songkick and Spotify. This is where the difficult part goes in because you don't really know how much the tickets would cost, right? So you cannot say that you're gonna watch a concert unlimited resources. But we make sure that we have like concert money. You have to like really divide your money and devote part of your income to your concert tickets. So for plane tickets, since ari kita sa Iloilo, kag ang concert na sa Philippines usually ara sa Manila. We book like 2 months ahead, no? So dapat bantay lang gid. And bantay hadto sa tanan, bantay yung ticket sang concert, bantay ticket sang plane. So what you do first, of course, is secure your concert tickets. Second, plane tickets. Last na ang accommodation or hotel. Pag we usually choose hotels or accommodations that's close to the concert venue para malakat lang kami kadto, malakat mo kami papuli, hindi kami mahago, hindi kami mag-commute. Oh yeah. That's for concerts. For travel, yeah. We're not frequent travelers.
Depends on the plane promo.
Yeah, we're just gabantay lang kami. Ang usually, ginatravelan namon, ang must go, ginabala. Tapos may mga Palawan, daw mo lang na, like, pero ang mga like sa mga kasulok-sulukan, sang Luzon, daw, no? Daw wala pa kami, we're not frequent travelers. We don't really have, money for that because, as you said, or as you asked, how do you travel with limited resources? Because frankly, you cannot, right? You have to have like that extra fund in your account nga hindi mo man siya pag i-withdraw, but you just need to make sure nga lang da, no? For emergency.
For emergency shopping.
That's why if you can take notes sa akon nga travel vlogs, I don't indicate the budget because I am not you know, the one you go to for help if you want budget-friendly travel tips. But I assure you that I will point you to, you know, the right itineraries or the right accommodations. I can definitely give you the most affordable, you know, options, or where to eat or where to go on that spot. But we're not just really, you know, budgeting, because when we are traveling, most of the time we are already spoiling ourselves, right?
Yeah, right.
Because we're not doing it frequently. It's just, you know, lugis-agisa lang kami ga travel. So
Bigay todo.
yeah, that's the downside sa amon, kay imbes na i-save ta rin namon. That's why we promised na, no, sa mga this year and the next, you know, the next years, we won't really travel or go to concerts anymore because
Once a year.
yeah, or once a year lang. We seek help from other vlogs man, di ba? Like vlogs ni Bisayang Hilaw. It's really helpful na if you're looking for tipid budget tips.
My brother is very helpful.
Watch Bisayang Hilaw's vlogs or Jackson Grove's vlogs, because I believe Jackson Grove's hasn't stayed on a hotel or any accommodation that's higher than $12 a night. Your first tattoo and meaning. I actually had my first tattoo here, but it's already covered. Let's see if I can zoom. It's here. Medyo kita nun pagawa. But this is my first tattoo. And this is actually a script. It was my ex's name and my daughter's name in a vertical line over here. But of course, I had it covered up because we had this sleeve project. And because he's already my ex, diba? Right?
Sino naman, bra?
Si Vina.
Shout out dyan.
Shout out to my first ever artist, now my best friend, Vina, the nanay of Dallas.
Prinsipe Dalias.
So yeah, that's like my first tattoo. And meaning. Do you really believe that people get tattoos just because it has a meaning? Because me, randomly, I get tattoos when I'm like bored or when I have time. And it does not really have a meaning. So I think my tattoo here, my first tattoo was already meaningful in itself, right? Because it's the names of people I loved.
John.
So as you observe, Ralph is really yeah, or maybe he's just hungry, but he's
Sleepy.
the quiet type. He's not really, hindi siya prawakal. Ako yung prawakal siya. Actually, kung kami ng dua, grabe mo siya mawakal. So, somebody was asking, saan o ang bonggang kasalan? Ay, hahaha, heart.
Saan lo?
I don't know, we really can't answer
Saan
that.
mo kami sponsoran?
Na! You need sponsors, Charot.
Bonggang sponsor.
Hindi naman ba? Sila ka na pangita-ngita pati yung sponsor. Pero if you want to sponsor us, why not? Di ba panumdum? Yeah, we're thinking about no marriage.
Yeah, a few years back.
Yeah.
Then,
But we don't really have the money for it pa.
yeah.
If you're gonna get married these days, it's really, really expensive. It's difficult. Damo papel. Actually, I have Senomar already. But, yeah, it's really difficult to get married. And, yeah, we're only 5 years, no? 5 years pa lang kami. We have a lot to discover. Sista, how do you keep motivated sa work, life, lifestyle, beauty, etc.? Hahaha.
Beauty. Beauty.
I think this is for me. Or basi ikaw, sis ka man. Sis! So I think I will answer this question in general. If you're asking what is my motivation, I don't know. Being alive is... There are a lot of kids there outside. Ayan, mahulog ka mo. I think motivation is... I don't know, this is a really difficult question. I think if you're asking, you know, generally, why am I really motivated? It's maybe because I still wake up every morning. You know, this is from a Tagalog friend, so I'm gonna do Tagalog or English. Taglish. Siyempre, Siyempre, kung magigising ka or kung nagigising ka pa every morning, you still have, you know, the drive to live, and you can't really live without working hard for it. But of course, if you don't wake up in the morning, then that's the time that you're actually dead, and you do not motivation. You don't need any motivation anymore. For me to keep being motivated, I think I just love what I'm doing, and I don't really think about anything else. Do you both believe, so it's for both of us, that sometimes love ain't enough?
The drama.
What's your answer? This is really good, though.
It's salty.
Sour cream.
Yeah.
Love it.
That's
Guys, you must really try this.
Ano pa yung mga factors ako?
It's a difficult question, apparently.
Like you need some... What?
You need... So, for both of us, ikay na relationship ta, may ulo. So, if you're asking our views as a couple, no? Or as someone who's in a relationship already, no. Love is not enough, no? For me, for you, yeah?
Ano pa kinahanglan?
Aside from love, of course, it always comes from love, no? Though the root dapat is love.
Dara man nagapon boil down sa love man siya gapon, mas kano pa ng mga rason da belong na siya gapon da.
Okay, but is it enough?
Okay, bandang rason sa love man gapon nagarot.
Okay, so para sa iya, though enough na ang love.
Akong love make love. Love no.
So for me, no, it's not enough because you need understanding.
Ang understanding sa love man siya gapon na.
Yeah.
Root. So daw sanga na lang siya gapon.
Branches na lang sang love.
Branches na lang siya.
So aside from the main branch, I think
kailanlan mo lang mag-grow.
Mag-branch out.
Branch out ka lang sa mga franchise.
Yeah. So yeah, aside from love, I think you both need to have understanding, compromise,
Patience.
sacrifice, patience.
But still love ang root niya.
Patience, understanding good. Understanding good to compromise.
Ang buy a lot of food.
And money.
Yeah.
So guys, you need money.
Kasi malan yung partitis kami ha. Pero hindi ka nakagpulag kung may kwarta. Batanga ka lang da, hindi ka gini mag-partitis da.
Yes, you can't. I mean, not sa relationship lang in life in general.
You need to... Basta.
That's why you need to understand each other para hindi ka mo mag-tae-tae sa work nyo bala. Na para like every day you have a routine nga understood na nga okay, malate niya siya. Okay, hindi niya siya subong ka mo ni. Di ba? Understanding. leads to patience, leads to compromise, leads to money. Okay, diba? Tsakto ang inyong obra. Wala ka mo gatay-tay sa inyong obra.
May pang date ka mo.
Oo, may pang date ka mo.
Pagkakal ka mo sofa.
Oo, happy ka mo.
Talaga mo sa SMR.
Talaga ka mo sa hardware. Bigyan linen. Linen, carpet.
Pang mo planta, row.
Tanom. So, I think if you really love each other, you would really understand each other to the point nga go free-flowing. Nagid ka mo bla? Hindi nagid ka mo wala na siyang dahil na mo bala mabang-bang. No, diba? Bang-bang, mukbang. Diba? So, yeah. Understanding, patience, compromise. Aside from love. What's your favorite drink? Is this an alcoholic drink or, you know, just the usual drink or coffee or tea?
Alcoholic.
I don't...
Margarita.
Yeah. He answered the question.
Pink margarita.
My favorite cocktail or alcoholic drink is margarita. I'm not an... I mean, I don't drink because I'm allergic, but kung margarita gani.
Once you pop.
I can't stop. Eh mo ya alcoholic?
7 years ago or whatever. 10 years ago. I don't drink alcohol.
But when you were drinking, kaya ako man naman tinis.
Long neck, tanduay.
Tanduay, yeah. Kung non-alcoholic, coffee, tea. But one of the favorites lately is mogu-mogu, no?
Coconut.
Yeah, the coconut flavored mogu-mogu. It's so good. But yeah, there's like Tetra Pak, no?
Tetra Pak or
can. There's like a canned
and
fruit juice.
Tamarind.
Tamarind.
And guyabano.
Yeah, that's his favorite. Though
It's very realistic.
I believe you can find those at SM.
7-Eleven stores nationwide.
7-Eleven, if you want to sponsor us, really willing to,
So we are halfway, no? It's nothing na.
Yeah, Auntie Anne's, lapit na maubos. But we still have our fries and onion rings that we can reheat later, of course. Next question, this is from the same person. Bagit, masakit ba ang masaktan? May hugot tayo dyan, ate, ah. Ano sabat mo?
Of course, yes.
He answered, of course, yes.
Kaya nga tinawag yung masaktan kasi masakit. It came from the root word masak.
Ano color siyang saging? What's the color of a banana?
Depends on how do you like it.
Or depends on the banana,
You want
right?
it raw? It's green.
There's this huge red bananas, right?
Yeah. Sometimes it's purple.
Purpley, reddish, purplish bananas. And green ones that are long, not really
Green, bent, long ones.
bent bananas.
And they're ripe and they're also green.
Yeah. They're still green. They don't turn yellow, but they're already ripe. There are also small yellow bananas that they're small, but they taste so good.
I think she wants brown banana. No, it's the saba when you boil. It's brown.
Yeah, banana Q.
No, it's with the brown banana.
You
Boil.
really told everyone that the one who asked the question is she, huh?
Yeah, I will tell her name, huh?
No. Okay.
You want a brown banana? You boil the banana.
So actually, ang color ng saging, depende sa gusto mo, ah. Nga, wala yata tattoo si sir. Why is it that Ralph has no tattoo? Okay, you answer it.
Because it is very painful. That's it. Thank you.
You're welcome. You just demotivated all the other people.
Yeah, but it is the truth. Diba?
Yeah. So,
Masakit.
It's painful.
Yeah, I really want to have a tattoo. But does it matter?
Yeah, does it matter? Paano mag-alaga tanom ng napatay akong cactus? How do you take care of your plants because my cactus died?
Oh my gosh.
I'm not an expert. I also have cacti or succulent types, cacti types of plants that are already dead. Sometimes you overwater them, sometimes you neglect them, sometimes they don't have enough sunlight, and sometimes bullshit lang din sila, yeah. And sometimes I actually read something recently that when you buy your smaller plants, most especially your succulents and your cacti, hindi natin pag i-repot, no? You don't repot them yet.
Tapos bago lang sila.
Yes, because their roots are not stable. Kung cactus lang, I think patayaan mo lang din siya kag ibutang sa sunlight. Or kung indoor mo siya, dapat near the window. And dapat i-check nyo din siya. Kahit siyang una, pero may hindi na-check mga tanong ko. Ang cause of death lang nila is overwatering. Pero sa buong wala ko na na-check. Neglect na yan, guys. Pag tumulan. So they also die with neglect. Doon daw, papayaan man siya, pero ang tama-tama lang na neglect.
Especially the cactus.
Tapos i-turn nyo din sila, for example, ang ang part for like pila na kamans lang muna. I-turn nyo sila, guys. Ang muna. It actually works. I learned that from one of the plant groups that I am in. If you have a chance to travel for 6 months, where would you go? If you want nga ma-stay lang kami, he wants to stay in New Zealand for 6 months. So that's his answer. Ako yung my answer is, dapat pareha siya, karon wala ko upod.
Australia!
Yeah. I'd like to visit Australia. I have my former bosses and yeah, they became my friends over there. And we have a lot of Filipino friends in Australia.
Country of New Zealand.
So yeah, I think Australia, New Zealand, Guam, Hawaii. Hindi na Hawaii dito.
No, it's like
Dulapit basta mga beachy tropical countries. Next question, best lip and cheek tint you have tried?
Of course. What?
We're joking. I know this question is for me. So, I think one is Tony Moly. Another is Colorette. They have the best shade range. Like you have reds, you have peaches, you have nudes, you have browns, you have, I don't know. Colorette, please sponsor me already.
What about local brands?
And Colorette is a local brand. Ilonggo brand.
Starting brands. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm currently loving the Astrid by A&A. No, I don't love it just because they sponsored me, but that was what I was wearing earlier. What's your fave tattoo amongst sa tanan mo nga ink? What's your most favorite tattoo among all the tattoos you have? Sakto English. This is really difficult as I don't really have a
favorite.
Yeah, only one favorite. To answer your question, I think the tattoo on my sternum.
Yeah.
Which I will just flash the photo on the screen because I don't want to show it to you.
Oh.
So he left me 2 pepperoni bites.
You're eating that.
He ate everything. He left me 2.
Meat na meat.
Why is your hair still
gorgeous?
Yeah, still looks healthy even though you dye it frequently. No, it's not Nami. It's not beautiful. It's not healthy. If you're gonna touch it in person, it's really, really terrible and I can't. Kita mo yon, may sabit.
Walang sabit.
And one secret is never skip your conditioner.
Silky smooth.
Cream Silk. Cream Silk, sponsor us, charot. Cream Silk lang man kami din sa balay.
Yep.
So, ako usually, okay na wala shampoo, but sa kapang conditioner lang. Galing mo sa katulog ng ulo ko. Kaya Pinoy tayo, we need to shampoo gid. So, when he had his silver hair, we really have to have purple shampoo, purple conditioner, and lots and lots of conditioner.
Patience.
and patience. So yeah, I'm trying to grow back my hair. That's why I stopped. But for most of the Auntie Anne's thingies, ubos nila guys.
Very meat.
We're really glad that we made. We're really glad that we dropped by. Oh, actually, when we dropped by earlier, they have a new setup sa ila stall. We're actually referring sa Auntie Anne's SM Iloilo. They already have like a lot of chairs at the back with charging docks, so you can actually bring your laptop there or bring your tablets, and you know, if you need emergency charging, you can do it there. And perfect for group studies. It's good that Auntie Anne's SM is only like a stall outside, but they have charging docks on their tables, no? For students and young professionals. For example, like me, usually sometimes I want to do my work outside of the room, so I can easily just go there and not worry that, you know, not worry about the battery of my laptop, because they have something to charge it with, right? So yeah, I think if you want to know more about Auntie Anne's SM, we will just be linking the important links, like their Instagram and their Facebook, on the description box below.
Sulit-sulit gid ya.
For example,
Meat na meat pa.
Kapin pa sa akon, di dyan pala kaong ko tinapay. I love dropping by Auntie Anne's and buying tinapay.
Damo man ito ma-accommodate nyo sa mga
kasi damo na sila chairs. They can really accommodate a lot of people already. So yeah, it's been a fun day with all of you bessies out there. Did you have fun?
Yes, I have fun and I am not hungry.
Yeah, he's not hungry anymore.
Yeah.
We would like to remind you to check out Auntie Anne's Philippines Facebook and Instagram pages. We'll just be linking everything down below. The rain is really bongga. We want to sleep, but we have jobs. So yeah, we're signing off, and we're really happy to do this with you guys. And yeah, we hope that you like it.
Yes. Thank you for having me, Miss X. And
May miss dapat.
so what?
And ano?
Goodbye. World peace.
World peace. Always remember that we love you. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah ka man.
Mwah!